Hello. Today we're going to learn how to use Jira for project management. Jira, developed by Atlassian since 2002, stands as one of the most widely adopted project management tools globally, with over 300,000 companies utilizing it for planning, tracking, and delivering work across diverse teams, such as software development, marketing, IT, operations, and more. Its flexibility allows it to support agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, as well as traditional project management, making it suitable for both small teams and large enterprises. Step 1. Signing up for Jira. Begin by navigating to the official Jira site at atlassian.com/software/Jira and click Get It Free. Sign up with your email or existing Atlassian account. Best practice is to use a work email for team invitations later. Your Jira site, for example, yourcompany.atlassian.net, is created instantly. Explore the dashboard. Free plans include unlimited spaces for small teams, basic AI, and mobile access. Before diving into usage, grasp the foundational elements that make Jira effective. Spaces act as a container for your work, replacing or alongside traditional projects in some contexts, organizing boards, backlogs, and items. Work items, formerly known as issues, represent tasks, user stories, bugs, epics, or features. They include fields like summary, description, priority, assignee, and labels. Boards represent visual tools. Scrum for sprint-based, Kanban for flow-based. Workflows are sequences of statuses or columns that items move through. Backlog is a prioritized list of upcoming work. Step 2. Create a space. Navigate to the Spaces drop-down in the left bar. Select Create Space. Jira offers pre-configured templates to skip setup. For example, Scrum, best for teams delivering in fixed sprints, Kanban, good for continuous flow and limiting WIP, or bug tracking, best for simple defect management. Choose based on your needs. Scrum for iterative releases, Kanban for support teams. Name it and select space type. Team managed, ideal for small/independent teams, or company managed, better for larger organizations. I will start with team managed for simplicity. Now add a key prefix for item IDs. This establishes your dedicated area. Step 3. Set up your columns or workflow. Boards display work in columns representing statuses. For team managed, go to Board, 3 dots, Configure Board. For company managed, you would go to Board, 3 dots, Board Settings, Columns. Here you can add, edit, delete, or move columns. For example, to do, in progress or done. Best practice is to keep it simple initially, like 3 to 5 columns, to avoid overwhelming. Map to your real process for better adoption. Step 4. Create work items. Click Create in the global navigation. Select item type, story, bug, task, or epic. Fill key fields, summary for title, description for details, then assignee, labels, and so on. Add subtasks for breakdown. Attach files or links. The item appears in your backlog. Step 5. Connect tools. Go to More, Apps, and then you can find New Apps. Search for integrations like GitHub for code linking, Slack for notifications, and more. You can then install free trials. Step 6. Invite your team. From site settings or space, add members via email. Assign roles, for example, member for editing. Collaboration starts here. Assignees will get notifications. Step 7. Move work forward. In Scrum, create and start a sprint from backlog. Pull items in, track daily. In Kanban, drag items across columns. Respect WIP limits. Use views, board for visual, list for detailed, and also timeline and calendar. Advanced beginner tips. Navigation. Left sidebar for spaces. Top bar for backlog, board, and timeline. Reports. Built-in velocity in Scrum or control charts. Mobile app. iOS and Android for updates anywhere. Learning resources. Atlassian University for free courses. Or community forums. Best practices. Prioritize backlog regularly, use labels for filtering, limit WIP in Kanban. This setup gets you productive quickly. As you grow, explore advanced roadmaps, custom fields, or JQL searches.